Out here, the light doesn't wait, and neither should you. You need gear that keeps up. That's why we built the JetMag Pro VND. Snap it on in seconds. With a quick twist, it locks into place. Fast magnetic access with a secure hold you can trust. Exposure, depth and motion, all in one ultra-slim filter. Shoot wide open at f2.8 in harsh sun and still hold perfect exposure. Need more range? Stack a 4-stop ND for up to 9 stops of control. Slow your shutter to capture motion blur. From cinematic movement to long exposure portraits. The JetMag VND also lets you adjust polarization independently. A simple twist cuts reflections without shifting your exposure or density, allowing you to keep true to life colors in every shot. Swapping between lenses is easy. Just pop it off and snap it onto your next setup. One filter that moves across your entire kit. And when you want to add character to your image, stack a mist filter right on top. With the JetMag Pro VND, you're not locked into one look. The system lets you stack filters seamlessly, giving you full creative control. Nano coatings resist water and oil, so cleaning is quick and effortless. And when you're done, the magnetic lens cap snaps right on, protecting both your filter and your lens. The JetMag Pro VND isn't just about filtering light. It's about keeping pace with how you shoot, how you move, and how you create. Because out here, the light doesn't wait. And now, you don't have to either. The JetMag Pro VND, available now.